Okay, now this is cool. Imagine ordering a package and having it delivered to your doorstep by a drone within minutes. Amazon is working to make this a reality in San Antonio by the end of 2025. Amazon plans to launch its Prime Air drone delivery system from its Eastside facility, aiming to serve 7.5-mile radius. This includes neighborhoods in West Creek, Converse, parts of the Brooks area, and even Fort Sam Houston. Okay, this is going to be a tongue twister, but to support this initiative, Amazon has requested a zoning change to construct a 9,400 square foot Prime Air drone delivery center. But before we continue, want to know more about unique San Antonio neighborhoods and cool real estate stories to build wealth and learn the benefits of home ownership? Hit the subscribe button and follow the Garza home team. With FAA approval, Amazon drones can operate beyond the visual line of sight. Equipped with advanced detecting and avoiding systems, these drones can identify and steer clear of obstacles like aircraft, cranes, temporary structures, and ensuring safety for people, pets, and properties. Per the San Antonio Business Journal, they're working with local officials to bring Prime Air to San Antonio, which could support their efforts to provide faster delivery and greater service to local customers. Amazon's goal is to integrate drone delivery into same-day delivery networks, enhancing efficiency and customer satisfaction. Stay tuned as Amazon's drones delivery systems prepare to take flight in San Antonio, bring the future of shopping right at your doorstep. Remember, no pressure, no diamonds, especially with the newer technology that's hitting San Antonio. Also, doesn't it feel like the algorithm is following you? That's not the case. When something's important to you, like San Antonio real estate, that's why you're watching this video, you become hyper aware of all things real estate. For sale signs, open home signs, this video, people talking about real estate as you're checking out of Walmart or HEB. So if you hear one of these two phrases, I've always wondered what my home is worth, or I've always wanted to purchase a home, but I don't know where to start, give them my name. Throw my name into the cowboy hat so I can give them the same informational service that I provided you. Also, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And as always, are you ready to make a move? Send me a DM. Thank you. Bye.